Mr. Strawn, have you found yourself in conflict with other neighbours?
Well, nothing out of the ordinary.
May the witness be shown Exhibits 17 to 28. These are 11 separate complaints lodged by you, dismissed by the council over a 7-month period. They rebuked you as a vexatious complainant, did they not?
Yes, but unfairly.
What reason did my client give for wanting the tree removed?
I don't care what they said, they wanted more sunlight.
Let me refresh your memory. This is from my client's own submission to the council in his words. It's a beautiful old tree, but the roots are making it dangerous for my daughter's wheelchair. His request had nothing to do with light, did it, Mr. Strawn? It was a plea on behalf of his disabled daughter, which you opposed, wasn't it? No more questions, Your Honor.